Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cozy neck warmer with herringbone stitch. We have already worked the hat, so now with this tutorial the set is complete. And with the holidays on the way, they also make a thoughtful handmade gift to give to your friends and family. For this project I use one skein of Abbraccio from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and a 7mm hook. Okay, now first chain 22. And this is the height of the neck warmer. And now we are ready to do the first herringbone stitch. So first yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, then grab the yarn and pull it through. We have 3 loops on the hook, so now take this last loop and pull it through the second loop. So now yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. And of course repeat in each chain down the row. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, we have 3 loops. Take this last loop and pull it through the second. Yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. And continue to repeat this until the end of this row. To begin row 2, first chain 2 and this count as your first double crochet. So chain 2, then turn the work. And now we are going to do an herringbone double crochet stitch into the second stitch here, as we did before. So yarn over, grab the yarn and pull it through. We have 3 loops on a hook. Take the third and pull it into the second, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. And continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Pay attention at the end because we work here into this stitch and we work into the chain. The chain is the last stitch, so in this chain I do the last herringbone double crochet stitch. And now let's repeat this last row together one more time. So first chain 2, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then we do the herringbone double crochet stitch into the second and in each stitch down the row. And now pay attention, we insert the hook here in this stitch and we insert the hook into the last stitch. The last stitch is the second chain. So all we have to do now is to repeat this last row until we have a total of 46 rows, or until you reach the length about 70 centimeters or 27 inches. Okay, now I've done 46 rows. I love this beautiful texture, and now my rectangle is about 22 centimeters wide and 70 centimeters long. So now we cut the yarn, leave a long tail, then we will fold in half the rectangle to sew the two ends together using a tapestry needle. And now do a simple knot, then weave the tail inside the work. Okay, now we can turn inside out the neck warmer. And now we are going to create a nice finish on both sides. So insert the hook into the work. I use the same hook. So grab the 7mm hook. Then insert into the stitch. And all we have to do now is to create a round of a simple single crochet. So first a chain 1 do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. I suggest to place a marker into the first single crochet. So now remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Of course, place a marker into the first single crochet, then we continue to do 1 single crochet into each stitch until the end of this round. remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now cut the yarn, do a simple knot, then weave the tail inside the work. But before proceeding, I want to do the same into the other side. So we're going to do 2 rounds of single crochet. Okay, now I've done 2 rounds of single crochet, and of course remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we are ready to cut the yarn, do a simple knot, then weave the tails inside the work. Okay, now fold the upper part about 5 centimeters because we are going to sew the 2 buttons. And to do this, I will use a simple thread and needle. And now our project is done and ready to wear. It's warm, soft and very quick to do, so I love it. This project is a great gift for yourself, your daughters, as well as for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Abbraccio neck warmer. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!